Yes.
Lordship, with respect to item number 3, Lordship, we were supposed to file an additional affidavit, Lordship. I'm praying for 2 days time, Lordship. To releasing 2 days time, Lordship.
Parted matter.
Lordship, we were to file an additional affidavit.
It's been a long time since your lordship directed them to file an additional affidavit, not additional.
To file it.
We have sent it for waiting, Lordship.
But only a point of consideration.
Pleadings.
Lordship.
Only a question of law is involved, my lord. There's nothing.
As prayed for by Mr.
HR. HR
Das, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner.
Lordship, for the APGCL.
For the respondent APGCL, relist on at a beleg date on such and such date to enable the respondent APGC to file what?
Lordship, APGCL.
To file what?
Lordship, additional affidavit.
To file the additional affidavit as required, release from parted. Yes, next.
Your lordship has released it from part.
Yes, next. You can go on filing additional affidavits.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
With the consent of the other party, I beg to mention item 10. Kindly the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Item
10.
Yes,
Then we fix the Lordship.
as prayed for by MS
Ting
Tinglung, learned counsel for the respondent with consent from the appellant to relist after
2 weeks.
2 weeks on a date to be on such and such date. Yes. Yes,
May I
next.
please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 and 27 from supplementary list. Your lordship, the additional affidavits filed today, but in both the matters, but these are not in the records. Kindly list the matter tomorrow with the additional affidavit.
Day after.
Yes, your lord.
Item numbers
26 and 27 from supplementary.
you are for
On behalf of HR Chaudhary.
petitioner.
Yes, your lord.
Okay, 26, 27. MS.
AS Pradhan.
So and MS
AS
AS
Pradhan.
Pradhan, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that an additional affidavit has been filed in the matter. However, it appears that the same is not on record. Relist on such and such date with the copy. Yes, next.
Yes, your lord.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item 13 and 14 with the consent. We would like to
13,
13 and 14.
13 and 14. Yes, what do you want?
My senior has been discharged day before yesterday. He is
You are for the petitioner.
Lordship, I am for the
he is
petitioner.
for the petition.
She's for the respondent.
Yeah.
You are Thadani.
B. Hazarika on behalf of
Hazarika.
Mr. Deepath.
Okay. As prayed for by MS,
Miss, on the behalf of P.
your name.
K. Das.
K. Das, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent with consent from the Mr.
B.
B.
Hazarika.
Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist on after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes, next.
Obliged.
For orders, completion of item number 1 and 2.
Lordship, there is 2IA. Actually, initial 2839, there is some mistake. That's why we have filed another IA, Lordship. So 2839 maybe not pressed, Lordship. 2839 IA.
A to withdrawn as not pressed. Please give your names.
Yes, Lordship. And another IA, Lordship.
One second, Mr. Bora, you are for respondent?
1 and 2.
Your name to Lulabon, disposed of. Yes, 3351, yes.
Yes, implement of newly impleted respondent, Lordship. MS Lakshmi Priya, Lordship. Actually,
Incumbent, new incumbent.
New incumbent.
New
yes,
incumbent, okay.
Yes.
Take,
Phone number 3.
all right, take down. Heard MS.
K. Pujari.
So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel appearing for respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. By way of this interlocutory application, the applicant is seeking impleadment of
Please 5 minutes. Priya.
yes. Where do I find the name?
Please 5 minutes.
Phase
Priya.
3 also, Lordship.
Impleadment of the present incumbent commission, impleadment of the of one Dr. MS Lakshmi Priya who is the present incumbent to the post of the Commissioner, Guwahati Municipal Corporation. Stop. The facts of the case is that since during the pendency of the instant contempt petition, the post of the Commissioner, Guwahati Municipal Corporation, the contender number 3 was transferred out.
One was transported, three had.
Joint.
Respondent number 1 was transferred out from the post of the Commissioner GMC, comma, the new incumbent being Dr. So-and-so is necessitated to be impleaded as a arrayed respondent. Stop. Accordingly, in the interest of justice, allowed eminent cause title before the registry for doing the needful.
No, His Lordship.
In the main contempt petition, Doc, where is the main contempt petition? That upon the amended cost title being submitted, issue notice, returnable 2 weeks, registered post AD. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes, next.
Marks of law.
I didn't know. The same.
No,
Case matter, no.
2 is different. 2 is a tag matter.
Three is a tag matter.
Tag matter.
Okay, so that too any ekaloge ahi jabbar. But the IA is only in the first contempt,
Yes,
not
yes.
in 777.
Once-
Okay, okay, fine.
That's it, that notary will issue notice.
I've already given order.
We'll have to take steps, my lord.
I have
Yes,
already given,
yes.
Mr. Bora. Problem is you don't hear when dictations are given. Yes, yes, next.
This is item number 4.
Please, Your Lordship, my
Yes.
question is on next kind of matter when we suppose on.
All right, next. Fine, no, it would dig down.
For item number 5.
My pleasure.
Yes.
Yeah, our reply also submitted, Your Lordship.
Lordship, readings are completed, Lordship, we take the matter for hearing column.
My matter is just simple, Your Lordship.
What is the matter?
I am appointed as LDA cum typist on 26 February 1993 against the vacant post, Your Lordship, on master role or casual basis, Your Lordship. My appointment order is page number 17, Your Lordship.
The regularization and promotion.
I
What
apply
are you
for
seeking?
Seniority, Your Lordship.
All right, it will need some hearing, I'll admit it. It's for admission.
Lordship.
Admit post for hearing in the month of November on a date to be fixed by the registry. No
May-
formal
Pray
notice.
for a fixed date, Your Lordship.
Yes, next.
6.
Obligation.
Item 6, my lord, I filed one IA, my lord, on 2310. It is
That's
not,
not, it's not in the list.
not in the list.
All
Day
right.
after tomorrow.
Mr. H. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though an interlocutory application being, yes,
Yes.
being,
File on 23.
it's not numbered.
Not number is at present, I'm giving, my lord.
Give it.
Yes, my lord.
Likhi lo, filed on such and such date and also that filing date.
Yes, my lord.
However, the same is not tagged along with the, however, the same is not listed on the board, listed today in the board. Relist on such and such date, along with the IA so and so, if so filed and registered.
Yes, yes. my
Okay.
lord, the file
If so filed, checked and registered.
File affidavit because.
All right, let that come.
Yes, my lord.
I have not even seen the IA. It's not even listed.
20,
Yes.
20, my lord, 9, my lord.
Next.
29.
Item 7.
Confusion, I think.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship.
H. Das. Yes.
This matter, my lord, we are awaiting our instructions, my lord. We'll be filing an affidavit, my lord. Matter may fix after 2 weeks, my lord.
This has come for the first time after the notice. No, second time.
Second time, my lord.
Uh,
We are appealing for the.
Heard Mr. A. Gohai, learned counsel for the petitioners. Mr. A. Fukan, learned standing counsel,
Secretariat Administration Department.
SAD.
SAD.
SAD and MS M. Bhattacharjee, learned
Respondent number 4 only.
additional senior government advocate. For respondent number 4, seeks 2 weeks time. Both of you are going to file.
No, Lordship.
You are not going to file.
Comment, Lordship.
তেওঁলোকৰ নাম ক'বই নালাগে, অকল
I
Fukan.
will be filing.
Seeks 2 weeks time.
2 weeks.
To 6 further 2 weeks time to file counter return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged.
Item 8.
Yes.
On the last occasion, some direction was given to obtain instruction, but I have received a copy of the repetition today morning, so I need 3 weeks time.
Why you took so much time to give her the copy of the writ petition? The order was passed on 24th September.
Extremely sorry, Lordship.
Anyway, MSB Sharma, Learned CGC submits that though as per the last order, I 24/9/2025, the respondent was required to seek instruction as sought for by the aforesaid order. However, since the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner supplied a copy of the writ petition when today morning in the court, she could not obtain the requisite instructions. She accordingly seeks how much time? 3 weeks time she accordingly seeks for 3 weeks time to place the said instruction, prayer allowed, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 9.
My lord, following the order of the division bench, my lord, interim order has been passed, my lord. Division bench matter has been fixed on 31st October, my lord.
So I'll post it after that.
Yes.
As prayed for realist on a date like date after such and such. Kittel.
After, my lord, after 7, yes.
Item number.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Supplementary date, item number 28.
Matter may be taken up after some time.
Item 29. Item 29.
আকৌ এবাৰ মাতি দিব কোনোবা নাথাকিলে টাইমিং কৰি দিয়ক
On orders. Item 11.
শেষ কৰি পেলাই আনকি যাব মাতিব Yes, Ms. Bhattacharjee. Yes.
I think this is insurfluous, Lordship. This pertains to appointment of PP in 2017, Lordship. Now there are lots of changes and all this, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. MS M. Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government advocate, Assam for the state respondent, as well as Mr. K. Jain, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers 5, 9 and 11 are present. It appears that on the last occasion, I 13/10/2025 as well, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Stop. It further appears that item 11, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. About 5 জন নাম আছে আনকি It further appears that names of 5 learned counsels has been reflected in the caused list on behalf of the petitioner. Despite such reflection, there is no representation on call. In view of the consecutive non-appearance of the petitioners on call, writ dismissed for non-prosecution.
Yeah, blessed, Lordship.
Item 12.
My lord, service is complete, my lord. Only reminders would go for TCR, my lord.
Heard MS L. Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant. Office note dated 10/9/2025 indicates that service in respect of in respect of all the respondents, in respect of the respondents stands complete. Reminder for TCR, list after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Oblige me.
Item 15.
Family pension, who's appearing for the contempt now?
On last occasion, my lord, this honorable court implemented 2 new incumbent, but
Notice has gone,
not issued.
not gone. Amended cost title is submitted.
My lord. Respondent number 4 and 5, my lord.
Respondent number
4 and 5.
5. Okay. Heard Mr. K.R. Padgiri, learned counsel for the for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard MS P. Thapa, learned counsel appearing for the contemner number. For the respondent contemner number 1. None appears for respondent contemner numbers 2 and 3. Issue notice to the newly implemented respondent contemner numbers 4 and 5 by registered post AD. Steps within 3 days from today. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Offline.
16 to 19.
Yes.
May please lordship, there is a 4 analogous case. Allotted for service of notice.
What about R3? Service is complete. R3.
My lord, driver possibly. Driver is not appear, but owner is appear. So owner is
Who
appear.
is the owner? R2.
I am paying for R2, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Not for
One-
R3.
No, what about R3? Is complete or not complete? Because on the last occasion, it's the office note indicated it was not complete. That was 15/9. Let's see.
Awaiting for service report process.
No, I think something has come.
Yes.
Flag A to put. Into whole, no? Do a date to Kitty House often. Rupak. And the key, huh?
7-2.
Heard Mr.
RC.
R.C. Paul, learned counsel for the appellant, also heard MS.
Rishi Goswami, R. Goswami.
R. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the respondent claimant, and Mr. A.J. Hajarika.
KJ Hajarika.
K.
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 My lord,
Uh,
she appear on behalf of R. Krishnan.
Miss Counsel, when I'm asking your name, is there any difficulty for giving me your name? Before this
No.
court, who is appearing today? Who is appearing right now in front of this court, ma'am? So therefore, I'm asking your name. The purpose of asking your name is to ensure that your name is recorded in the order of the court. Because tomorrow, if some gentleman comes and say, "Ki, no, I did not make a mention," then what will this court do? So when a name is asked, you just give your name. Why is it so difficult? Isn't it? What is your name? Arkwar. MS Arkwar on behalf of Mr. R. Goswami. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent, claimant, and Mr.
KJ Hajarika.
K.J. Hajarika, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 stroke owner. Office note dated 16/10/2025 indicates that service in respect of respondent number 3 stands complete. Yes, what is to be done? Case record? Case records have not come.
Yes, possibly come.
I see records.
Already received.
So,
It appears that the trial court records have also been received. Yes.
my lord,
Item number 16 is appear for owner, but 16, 17, 18, 19, last date, last location for instruction for appearing on other cases, 3 cases. So
Are
he
you
to the-
appearing?
yes, Your Lordship. I'll
You'll file a
the
local-
Adalat no before the
in the-
next day.
So therefore,
I'll appear for respondent.
Mr. K.J. Hajarika, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 owner in MAC Appeal 30/2024 further submits that he has received instruction from the respondent owner to appear in the other MAC appeals, i.e. MAC Appeal 27 of 2024, MAC Appeal 28 of 2024, and MAC Appeal 29 of 2024 as well. Accordingly, service in respect of all the is completed. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by a registry. Abar just silo bohe office note to baki gita tasene na hai.
Item 20.
My lord, 20, my lord, so some difficulty, I could not take step. My lord, I took the step initially in regard to the delay, 29 days delay. So there is a, my lord.
Have you taken the steps or not now?
Initially, I took the step.
When?
My lord, I took step 19, 12, 24.
Because it says on 19/6 it says no steps taken. When
Yes,
did you take?
Subsequently, it's.
When?
I took the step after the order.
No,
Initial order.
you must be having the date.
My lord, I have forgotten it is, I have noted.
No, Mr. Counsel, the office note of 19/6/25
Yes,
indicates.
thereafter, I have not taken step.
So then you take fresh
My
steps.
lord,
It
it
says.
shows that response number 1A is the mother. of the mother of the other B, C, and D. They are the minor. So that is I took step on the 1A. So that is direction of the Lozima court, B, C, and D, and few also.
So you
So
take it.
I will take it.
Why is the difficulty of taking
I'll
it?
take it.
Mr. R.C. Paul, learned counsel for the applicant, assures that the fresh steps as required would be taken within 3 days from today. In view of the aforesaid assurance, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the.
And my lord, 1A, B, C, and D, and 2.
You say do whatever you want to do.
My lord.
Yes.
Much obliged.
21.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may I-
Why is this matter for orders?
Your Lordship, respondent number 4 to 6 wasn't completed steps against respondent number 4 and 6. But on order dated 29/7/25, Your Lordship, before the lavazima, we have prayed for struck off those respondent errors.
Yes. Why you want to struck off?
Because Your Lordship, it's not necessary party.
No, but you have made them a party, then you file an application. You will make them a party, and then suddenly you feel like, no, I'm not going to make them a party, and then you make a submission. Where is your application for striking off the names of respondent number 4 to 6? Where is your application, Mr. Counsel? Your diffuser?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Diffuser. Where is that application?
We have verbally submitted, Your
Uh,
Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, please don't convert the constitutional code into some living room. Kindly don't do that. There is a procedure. Follow it. As prayed for by Mr. S. Diffuser, learned counsel for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be 3 weeks or
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. You don't need that
No,
application.
Your
4 weeks
Lordship,
to file an
we have
application.
to file reply also, Your Lordship.
4 weeks to do the needful in the matter in terms of filing appropriate application for striking of the names of the respondent number 4 to 6 from the cause title.
God bless you, Lord.
Item 22.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes, why is this matter for orders?
Also, this IA for withdrawing the connected petition, Lordship.
IA is for withdrawal.
Yes, sir.
Withdrawal of what? The writ petition.
Wait petition, Lordship.
Who's appearing for the other side? Yes, Ms. Mohanta. Any objection for the withdrawal? Yeah, main case to Diak. Yes, heard.
Peace or Your Lordship.
P. Sohoria.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner also heard, no, applicant. Also heard M. Mohant. PR Mohanta. Learned what?
Standing council.
Standing counsel, higher education. Chalia, you are there? And Mr. Chalia for standing counsel health. Are you there? Okay. By way of this application, the applicant is seeking withdrawal of the connected writ petition IWPC number 7958 of 2022 on account of personal inconvenience. MS so and so learned counsels appearing for the respondents does not object to the prayer made in the interlocutory application. In view of the aforesaid endorsement and the prayer made in the interlocutory application, WPC so and so is allowed to be withdrawn. IA stands allowed in the WPC Tlikhidiba. In view of the order passed in IA so and so, writ petition stands dismissed on being withdrawn.
Problem.
Item 23.
Condonation.
Yes, ma'am.
How much? How many days?
10 days.
Huh?
10 days.
10.
10.
10 days. Any objection?
No, madam.
Yes. Heard Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. S. Ali. Alim, learned counsel appearing for the respondents. So, by 2 and 3, huh? What about 1?
The Ozima court says all are.
It appears that despite notice in respect of the respondent of the remaining respondents being complete, there is no representation on behalf of them on call. By way of this application, the applicant is seeking condonation of delay of 10 days in filing the connected MAC appeal against the judgment and award dated 1/3/2025, passed in MAC case number 1466 of 2017 by the learned member Motor Accident Claims Tribunal number 1, Cambro. Top. The grounds of condemnation reads as under paragraph 3, 4, 5, 6, quote unquote, paragraph 4 of Rakaba page. Reading of the aforesaid so and so, it appears that the reasons are sufficient and bona fide. Application stands allowed, delay condoned. Is the MAC appeal registered?
No.
Register the MAC appeal
Much obliged.
and thereafter list. Yes, dispose.
Item 24.
Yes,
It's 7 days delay in filing cross.
7 days. Filing what?
Cross objection
Cross objection.
in the connected appeal law.
Heard Mr.
Arshad.
R. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the applicant, also heard MS L. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the respondent. By way of this, by way of the instant application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, so and so, the applicant is seeking condonation of delay of 7 days in preferring the connected cross objection, and cross objection in MAC appeal number 219 of 2024. What is the delay for what is the time limit for filing the cross objection?
90 days.
90 days. So, about MACT 2. Are you carrying the act, Mr. Sharma?
No, Lord.
Which is the section?
Section 5 of the Limitation Act, Lordship.
No, that
Cross objection, Lordship.
yes,
Under Order 41, Rule 22, Lordship.
CPC conduct. Order 41.
Rule 22, Lordship.
This is that written statement. No.
Cross appeal, basically.
Rule
22, Lordship.
within 1 month.
Lordship.
কি লিখিলা? In filing cross objection. In filing cross examination, cross objection, sorry. In MAC appeal number 219 of 2024. It appears that since there has been a delay of 7 days, no, it appears that since the time provided under Order 41, Rule 22 for filing cross-examination, objection in McAppeal expired, comma, the present application seeking condonation of the 7 days that has occurred in filing the so-and-so. Stop. The grounds for the delay as stated in the so-and-so reads as under 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? It appears that the grounds are sufficient and bona fide, and for interest of justice, the same is condoned, allowed. Yes.
Obliged.
I think clarify.
May I my lord? Lordship, may kindly take up IS Civil 3343.
3343.
Here, what happened when the repetitioner died? So we have moved earlier an application for,
First time this IA has come.
yes. So earlier we have filed one IA for implement of the new incumbents and the legal year. There this order is passed on page 15.
Page
15.
15. Yes.
Second page, page 16. In view of above, in the middle, in page 16.
Yes.
And after taking a note of the statements made in the IA, the prayer for substitution is hereby allowed. The two applicants herein shall be substituted in place of the repetition and the connected repetition as her legal heirs.
Yes.
Mr. Raja to file an amended writ petition. That is the difficult one. It should have been amended post title. Therefore, the registry is not accepting.
Okay. Heard Mr.
A. Bhattacharya.
A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for the
Handloom textile and
learned standing counsel, na?
Standing counsel.
Standing counsel, handloom, textile, and so, as well as Mr.
B. Sharma.
B. Sharma, learned
Standing counsel accountant.
standing counsel, so for the respondents. Huh? By way of this application, comma, the applicant is seeking correction, modification of order dated 5/4/2025 passed by this court in IA Civil 973/2025 arising out of WPC number 4189 of 2024. It appears that in IA Civil 973 of 2025, while this court allowed the substitution application filed by the petitioner, filed by the applicant, while directing the learned counsel appearing for the applicant to file the amended instead of directing the learned counsel appearing for the applicant to file the amended cost title before the registry for doing the needful, inadvertently allowed the learned counsel so-and-so to file an amended writ petition within 2 weeks from today. It appears that due to the inadvertent error having been crept into the order dated so-and-so by 4/2025, the applicant is unable to get the substitution as allowed by this court effected. Hence, the prayer, hence the application is allowed. The so and so in order dated so and so shall read as so and so, quote unquote, kore diba. Mr. Raja to file an amended cost title within 2 weeks from today.
Much obliged.
Allowed.
Item number 30.
Hey, yak change kora. Yes.
Pensionary matter.
Pranabak matter.
Pension lordship. So the concerned department, culture department, also we have written to them. The instructions are still awaited from the culture department lordship. So you see that
How much time you need?
2 weeks time lordship.
You need further 2 weeks time to place the instruction.
Okay, lordship. Oh, now the last lordship, the last occasion, 28/7, that.
And they want further
Three
time.
times, but it exceeded 3 months. That is why we have by mention, we have.
Sorry, I could not follow you.
Lordship.
I could not follow you. Please, what is that you are submitting?
Lordship, the last day the court allowed 3 weeks, but it has exceeded 3 months. Still they are not responding. So this is a pension matter. So.
All right. How much more time you want?
114 May term matter.
How much more time do you
2
want?
weeks lordship.
2 weeks. I'm going to fix it after 2 weeks. Give a specified date.
Yes, lordship.
On that date, if the instructions and or the affidavit does not come, is not forthcoming, have the respondent personally appear before this court. Yes, please take down. Heard, Mr.
UC Rabha.
UC Rabha, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, and Mr.
CKS Burwa.
CKS Barua, Learned Government Advocate for the state of Assam. Stop. Yes, Chalya, you there? Also heard Mr. A. Chalya, Learned Standing Counsel appearing for
Finance Department.
Finance, Learned Standing Counsel Finance so and so for the Finance Department. Mr. CKS Barua so and so seeks further 2 weeks time to file return in the matter. It appears that the grievance of the writ petitioner canvassed in the instant writ petition is denial of the pensionary benefits payable to the petitioner. Stop. It further appears that on 28/7/2025, though 3 weeks time was granted to the respondents to complete their instruction and file necessary affidavit. However, despite lapse of 3 months, the returns has not been submitted till date. Be that as it may, let the return be submitted by the next date of listing. At a date after 2 weeks, Rupak, give a date after 2 weeks. On such and such date, you want the date to be changed? Please tell him. On such and such date, failing which the erring respondent shall be personally present in the court.
Otherwise.
Item 31.
Yes.
Also here, office notes dated 24/10/25 shows that the.
Service
Not-
complete, not
not
complete.
complete.
Not complete.
Sir-
Await service list after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry. Yes.
Typing item number 4.
Yes, Ms. Bhuiya?
This is the matter relating to promotion, my lord.
Yes.
The petitioner from Group D to Group E, my lord, in Numaligarh Refinery. Subsequently, lordship, after filing of the petition, in the year 2023, his cases were considered, your lordship. 2024, his case was considered for promotion to Group E, your lordship.
Infraction
By-
forward.
No, not infractions. I'm claiming the benefit with effect from notional benefit, my lord, with effect from 2013, wherein
So
have been
you-
systematically deprived.
Initially, you had sought for promotion and now that promotion has been
been
given.
given.
However, you want the notional
Yes, my lord.
benefit.
Lordship,
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
My lord.
Why the notional benefit has not been given?
My lord, because on earlier occasions, I was asked to produce the records, although affidavits were exchanged like that.
You have the records.
I have the records.
Have you gone through?
Yes, and the incumbent was not entitled for eligible marks, which are required for his promotion. That is why he was not given.
But so
Subsequently, he has
subsequently he
has
acquired it,
acquired.
and accordingly promotion was
Yes,
given.
yes. But
So
for
all these
2000
things have you brought in by way of an affidavit?
No, my lord, because
Then you file an affidavit.
My-
Let Ms. Bhuya, because you see that would be the most important thing now.
that's
Because
what I was thinking. That
Ms.
was-
Bhuya's client is now seeking for that notional benefit. You are saying that because at that time he was
He
not,
was not
entitled, subsequently having acquired, he became entitled, he got promotion and he'll get the benefit from there.
Yes.
That is the issue. So now whatever you want to say, you bring it by way of an affidavit so that the petitioner can file a counter.
Lordship, but the matter of 2018, my lord.
That's right.
It was-
Otherwise, I will dismiss it right now, Ms.
No,
Bhuya.
no,
Because
Lordship, I have got
no,
the case.
because it seems that you did not have that requisite.
No, the contention is not correct. Let them file an affidavit.
I
They
think
have- yes.
I'll give them a
That is-
short time,
yes,
Ms.
my
Bhuya,
lord.
because you see that is you
Yes.
see whether it's correct, not
Yes.
correct. Ultimately, the court will have to address the issue,
My lord.
isn't it?
My lord.
Because you are saying something which they are disputing.
My lord.
So at the end of the day, the court has to apply mind.
Lordship.
So
Because
I think it
wrongful-
would be fair
Yes,
for
my
both parties if the thing comes by way of
Just
a.
pray for a short date.
Yes,
man.
yes.
2018
How much time?
matter.
You have the
2 weeks.
records.
Yes, 2 weeks, my lord.
What 2 weeks? You file it tomorrow. Okay,
2018
next week.
matter, my lord.
Next week, Mr. Dhar.
My lord, it goes for waiting and all the.
How much time for waiting?
Only 2 weeks, my lord.
1 week. 10 days.
10 days. my lord.
Heard MSB Bhunyal, Learned Counsel, appearing for the MSB Bhunyal, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by R. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Dhar, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 1. Anybody else? Is he appearing for someone?
No, my lord.
So and so.
Union of
Ms.
India-
Bhuya so and so submits that though the petitioner has been subsequently though the petitioner during pendency of the instant writ petition has been promoted to the post in question. However, the notional benefits has been denied to the petitioner from the date his promotion was due. From the
2015.
date his promotion was due in terms of the claim made by the petitioner in the present writ petition.
My lord.
Mr. A. Dhar, Learned so and so submits from records that since the petitioner did not on the initial date, since subsequently acquired, that's a submission, right? Acquired the requisite
requisite marks.
comma, he was accordingly promoted on
Lordship, 2019, I got promotion from Group D to Group E.
in the year 2019.
Lordship, then thereafter one more promotion is given.
Okay, then when did he acquire? All right, let me not put these details, it
Yes,
might prejudice.
yes.
Subsequently acquired the requisite marks and accordingly was promoted. He further submits that since the petitioner did not have the requisite marks from the day the petitioner is claiming his due, claiming the promotion to be legally due to him, comma, the notional benefit as claimed for in the petition is not warranted. Let an affidavit be placed by the respondent, bringing out the aforesaid stand of the respondent, which is discernible from the records which Mr. A. Dhar so and so is holding, in order to give a chance to the petitioner to rebut the same if they so desire. Let the entire process be completed within a period of 10 days from today. Relist on such and such a 10 or episode, 5 days or episode. Did you have 10 days? He'll file and then you take 5 days if you want.
Lordship.
I'll post it after 15 days.
Yes, my lord. Not only the affidavit, it should contain the annexes also, the part of records. my
Miss
lord.
Bhuya, when we
Because-
say Miss Bhuya, when we say file return or file affidavit, we don't say file documents. They know what is to be annexed. Yes, on such and such date.
Lordship.
I will
earlier-
just edit that part. So I've given them 10 days time and 5 days for you in case you want. Okay.
Lordship, I have,
And in that affidavit, you say bringing, placing all the relevant documents.
Lordship, you have also prayed for setting aside the remark. Because,
That's all
Lordship-
right. I'm
yes.
not deciding
Yeah.
today. Inter alia kori diba uport. Bharai diba. All right.
I think item 28.
21st দিবে না? 21st কি হয়?
May I please, your lordship?
20?
28.
Yes.
Well, petitioner, my lord, a lady basic constable. She was, my lord, appointed in 2022, 22nd of November 2022, my lord, and she was posted at Dhubri, my lord, initially. After joining in the service, my lord, within few days, she used to my lord, start suffering from, my lord, fever and cough, my lord. Cough and fever, my lord. She was infected with. For that, my lord, she was admitted in hospital. After 5 days treatment in the area hospital, my lord, she was discharged and now she is fully fit, my lord. She reported at the composite hospital of the BSF.
What is the prayer?
But here, prayer is, my lord, the petitioner has been discharged from service on medical ground.
Yes.
Earlier, that discharge order was
Affidavit, you say you don't want to file.
already filed. Earlier, petitioner discharge was challenged before this court. This court directed the department to reconstitute the medical board
Acha.
because the earlier medical board was not constituted with any
Specialized.
specialist. Now, subsequently, again, as per this order, my lord,
A medical board was constituted.
constituted, but not with any specialized doctor from the department.
Again, there was no specialized doctor.
They actually referred the petitioner to medicine doctor at GMCS. As per their opinion, as per their doctor's opinion earlier, she was referred to rheumatology department.
Councils, am I getting frozen this side or you all are also getting frozen? Huh? Why nobody is saying? Huh? Yes.
So, my lord, what happened? She was referred to rheumatology department of the GMCS. Rheumatology department.
So the expert has to be from which department?
Rheumatology. Issued a certificate that the petition is fully fit, my lord.
That is the specialist
Specialist.
required.
Special request. Then again, my lord, the petitioner went to Apollo Hospital. The Apollo Hospital doctor also, rheumatology department also issued the same certificate that the petition is fully fit, my lord. Petitioner went to AIMS, my lord, New Delhi, my lord. There also, my lord, the doctor said, my lord, the petition is fully fit to pursue her duty, my lord. In spite those, my lord, specialized doctor's report,
The medicine doctor says you're not fit.
not fit. And in fact, the report given by the medicine doctor, that was also not communicated to me, my lord.
Miss Khan,
This is page number 168 of our affidavit in opposition.
affidavit, where is that order of this court whereby a second board was
That is page number 16. Start from page number 154 of my affidavit in opposition. 154.
Well, page 58 of my writ petition, my lord, and
No, 1 second. Where is that order of the High Court earlier?
page 58.
Page 58.
58, my lord.
Let's see that order once. Today it's come for admission.
The disease which the petitioner was suffering from, my lord, it is a systematic lupus erythematosus, SLE.
Rheumatology department.
Rheumatology department.
The petitioner also consulted.
My lord. So,
1 second. 1 second. Mr. Counselor, I've understood you. I'm just trying to find out something. Para 10, I think, page 65 is important. You may read from para 10. Systematic lupus
systematic
and so.
systematic lupus erythematosus, SLE. my lord. It is called systemic lupus.
So concerned specialist has to be there.
Yes, ma'am. And secondly, even the doctor's report, the doctor's certificate, which you were earlier issued.
That we are not concerned. We are just concerned if, because this court has under, you see, an elaborate judgment has been given. Ultimately, para 15, I think,
Malad.
isn't it?
Yes, Malad.
Para 15 is the relevant portion. Accordingly, the respondents are directed to forthwith constitute a review medical board for re-examination of the case of the petitioner, along with all the relevant materials, including opinions of consultants, as well as other confirmatory tests and investigations, and thereafter render its opinion.
Yes.
Any such so-and-so will prevail, so-and-so, the so-and-so. Whenever we consider with influenza, the board will examine. So-and-so.
In fact, my lord, at the time of joining in the service, petitioner qualified.
I think para 14 it says, as to whether a specialist or concerned on the subject also be included in the review medical board. This court does not wish to issue any specific direction
Yes.
to that effect, leaving the matter to be decided by the authorities concerned as to whether so-and-so should also be included in the review.
medical.
So there is no specific direction
Not there.
that a specialist has
Yes,
to
sir.
be included.
And then we have taken the opinion of the specialist also, my lord, from the Guwahati Medical College, my lord.
Okay, where is that?
That is, my lord, kindly see in my medical board. That is in page number 169. 168 is the board proceedings and relevant portion is page number 169.
$169.
Yes, madam.
This is what you have challenged in this writ petition.
Yes, madam.
This order.
Ultimately, discharge order, madam.
Huh?
Since the discharge order.
What is under challenge here?
Discharge order, madam. The order by which the petitioner has been discharged from service.
Okay.
Here, since there is a, my lord,
So that earlier order which you just showed me at page 58, by that the writ petition was disposed of or it was still kept?
No, disposed of.
Disposed of.
Court did not interfere in that matter, madam. Court only interfere on the review part, my lord.
Okay.
Review medical part.
Leaving it open for the
Yes, ma'am.
authorities
Yes,
to take a call.
Yes, yes.
So accordingly, you have taken a call.
Yes,
Yes.
madam.
So
normal.
now we have to see whether the petitioner is fit or not fit.
Yes, madam.
So before us, we have this medical board,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
correct?
Yes,
Now, one of the ground urged by them is that no, this also does not have a specialist.
Yes, madam.
But then you never appealed against the order of the earlier,
Yes.
the earlier order. As per that order, they were given the discretion ki whether they, for this particular thing, whether a specialist is required or not required, para 14 of that order. You see, you never raised any grievance, you didn't file an appeal. So now it is their discretion. Here it says 169 shows that Diganta Das,
In
the
fact,
specialist, has been consulted.
they were given the discretion that this discretion has to be exercised judicially, madam.
Correct, though they
Yes,
have
yes, yes.
exercised. You see, how
No.
can this court now get into the area of experts, judicial, sorry, that is not judicial, but they have applied their mind.
No.
Now, how do this court judicially apply its mind and see whether the board has applied their mind or not? It appears that they have, because this court will have to go by 169. It appears that there was a opinion of the concerned specialist,
Rheumatologist.
one specialist, rheumatologist, Dr. Diganta Das.
169. madam.
Yes, page 169.
Yes, madam.
Examined her and advised. She was again reviewed with the remark. He further clarified, this is all there. At present, she is clinically fit to do her regular activities. However, since she has applied for the post of constable, her fitness to perform her duties is subject to BSF guidelines for recruitment.
That is correct.
So this is all there. Anyway, Mr. Counsel, I was trying to see if I could have disposed of this matter at the admission stage. It requires some hearing, so I will post it on a hearing date. I'll admit it.
No, I will also clear some judgment of the honorable
Yes, yes, you
court
bring
on
it.
this issue- on this
You
issue.
bring it. That is why I'm giving you the
Yes,
time.
yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
you have already
Because-
understood what is in the
because,
mind
madam,
of the court.
Different doctors are giving different opinions.
That's all right. You see, that matter was put to rest
Yes, ma'am.
by page 58 order.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, madam.
And you have not filed an appeal against the page 58 order. So as per 58, now the ball is in their court.
Yes, ma'am.
Now they have exercised that discretion that this court has vested upon them.
Now only.
Now
to
the
check-
question is whether they have exercised that discretion by applying mind or not.
Mind or not.
Page 69 indicates.
Yes.
Page 69 indicates. Now how can this court in 226 jurisdiction sit over appeal against the application of mind exercised by the medical board? You understand? Mr. Counsel,
Yes, madam.
please listen, because you see, you have to answer this. I am not taking up the matter for hearing. I am only giving you food for thought. A thought, you work upon it. Yes, sir. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS Agan, Learned Standing Counsel,
CGC.
Learned CGC. It appears that the matter requires a full-fledged hearing. Admit, no formal notice. Post for hearing when next week?
Next week.
Yes.
No, but it too
Third of
is not part of my regular bench, no? So then let it come in the first week of November.
He did, madam. November, second week of November, madam.
Give it.
Lordship will fix a date, madam.
Yes, post for hearing on such and such date, November the
11.
date.
Yes.
Anyway,
Mark,
yes.
yes.
All right, madam.
Stamping item 29.
Wait, please, your lordship, my lord.
Yes.
This 5 petition from lordship, they are all casual workers, my lord.
Huh?
They are all casual workers. They are working as a tax collector.
Which matter?
The page 20, no, item 29.
Yes, yes. No, you said something 5, so I got.
No, there are 5 petitioners before.
Oh,
court.
5 petitioners.
Before
I
court.
heard 5 petitions. That's why I was thinking where are the other
But
petitions?
how
Yes.
it is a covered case? The honorable court, my lord, on page 56. Directed the minor authority to verify, and therefore their claim found to be genuine.
Is it?
Yes, page 56. Okay.
Covered?
Covered case.
Covered, Lordship, because the handle of verification is given in that order, Lordship.
Are you okay with the similar order being passed?
No, Lordship, we.
Yes or no?
No,
Kalia?
Lordship.
Huh?
Sometime may be granted, Lordship, this matter.
Sometime for what?
To verify whether, look, because Lordship.
To verify what?
The verification, whether they are eligible for minimum.
So I can dispose it
Yes,
with
Lord.
that same direction.
Yes, Lord.
You keep verifying.
Yes, the report has to come from the.
Because
PMI.
my lord,
Please read that relevant portion of that order that you are relying.
yes,
Please-
my lord.
Please read.
Page 56, my lord.
Yes.
Subsequently, another person, IA, my lord, because there is some mistake in this order, then it is corrected.
Which one do you want me to read now? The
Both
IA order or this?
But both, my lord, because in the initial order, first order, 13/10/2013, pursuant to notification issued on 19.
Where do I find the operating portion
My
of
lord,
this?
can you see, my lord?
Lordship, page 57,
In
last paragraph.
Page 57, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
In view of such submission made by the learned counsel for the respondent, and in view of the notification dated, this notification dated 16/9/2021, issued under the signature of the Commissioner Secretary, the Government of Assam Finance Department, this court is of the view that rate petition can be closed with a direction to the respondent authorities in the Finance Department to consider the proposal for grant of minimum scale of pay in terms of the order dated 8/6/2017, passed in writ appeal number 45/2014, in respect of the writ petitioners, is stated by the learned standing counsel for the PNRD department. The finance department shall thereafter pass appropriate order in terms of direction contained in the order dated 8/6/2017, passed in writ appeal number 45/2014, within a period of 60 days. From the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order, along with the application filed by the writ petitioners. In terms of the above direction, the writ petition is still closed and disposed of. Anti-motor, if any, is still merged The PNR department will also ensure that any particular details, etc., that may be necessary in respect of the writ petitioner to comply with the direction of this court shall be forwarded forthwith to the finance department. And
Yes.
Because, my lord, in notification it is says, my lord, that those who are engaged, my lord, or appointed prior to AFRBM period, that is 1/9/2005.
So they have to first do a verification. If you are so entitled, then this order can be passed.
It is says, my lord, pre-FRBM period and post, subsequently
Correct.
say post, my lord.
Correct.
Post FRBM period.
Yes.
Here the petitioner, they are appointed post FRBM period, that is 1/5/2019, my lord.
Yes.
The notification in their own notification it says.
Lordship, that is what needs to be verified, Lordship.
So correct,
Yes, ma'am.
subject to verification.
Yes, subject to verification, disposal, my lord, but
Yes.
subject to verification, my lord. If they are found genuine, my lord, then their case may be considered.
Yes. The speaking order will be passed, Lordship, this.
So you are only you are seeking grant of minimum scale of pay in terms of the order dated 8/6/17 passed in writ
Yes,
appeal 45 so and so.
Notification dated 16/9/2021.
Okay.
That notification.
All
my
right. Very well. Just let me just start the dictation. You can help.
Royal Center, that's the relevant para of that notification must be find page 64.
Yes, I'll give you that time.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to extract that notification.
Yes,
So I don't think a very detailed order is also required.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A detailed order is not required
Yes, ma'am.
because these two orders are also
Yes, Lordship,
there.
the only verification and Lordship.
All right. Heard, Mr.
FKR Ahmed, ma'am.
So and so, learned counsel appearing for the FKR Ahmed, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. S. Datta,
No, we do this AK Ghosh on behalf of Mr.
A.K. Ghosh, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Datta, learned standing counsel PNRD department, and Mr. A. Chalia, learned standing counsel finance department. Stop. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking minimum pay of scale as they have been working as a casual worker for the last 20 years in the respective Gao Panchayats under the Hailakandi Jilla Parishad. In view of, as per the office member, as per the notification dated 16/9/2021, issued in terms of the order dated 8/6/2017, passed by the division bench of this court in writ appeal number 45/2014. Stop. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It is submitted at the bar that similar issue has already been closed by this court, by the coordinate bench of this court, in the case of Nazrul Haq Locker and others versus the state of Assam and so in WPC 5540/2019 by judgment and order dated 13/10/2023, which was further clarified in I Civil 3238/2023 by order dated 2011/2023. Stop. It is further submitted at the bar that in the aforesaid, in the said writ petition, the coordinate bench of this court was pleased to direct as under page 57 A2 page 57 A2A. Relevant paragraph of the order dated 2011/2023 reads as under para 5, page 62. Having heard the learned counsels and having perused the materials available on record, this court is of the view that this court, in the interest of justice, is of the considered view that the instant writ petition can be similarly closed by directing the respondent authorities in the finance department to consider the proposal for grant of minimum scale of pay in terms of the order dated 8/6/2017, passed in writ appeal number 45/2014 in respect of the writ petitioners and the notification dated 16/9/2021, subject of course to verification.
Lordship, in the previous matter, which Lordship is, there was proposal was already sent. In this case, Lordship, the name of the petitioner, whether it has been sent to the.
So I said subject to verification, of
Yes,
course.
Where the proposal is, Lordship had mentioned, there's a proposal that has been. sent.
Okay, okay.
That
okay.
proposal.
So consider the claim. I'll say consider the
Yes,
claim.
claim.
I
What's
will
the-
not say proposal. Consider the claim for grant of so and so. है ना? And so the first of all, this will be PNRD has
Yes,
to
Lordship.
consider. It is needless to be clarified that upon the respondent PNR, don't say finance, উপৰ যে কৈছিলা in respondent authorities বুলি কৈ দিবা, তাৰপিছত কোৱা, it is needless to be clarified that once the respondent PNRD considers the claim of the petitioner for grant of the for grant of minimum scale of pay as directed by this court, the proposal shall accordingly be sent to the finance department. After and upon such receipt of the proposal, the respondent finance department, after proper verification, who will do the verification?
The verification will be done by the, Lordship will be done by the commissioner for this.
Where, the finance?
Yes, final.
Huh?
Verification will be done by the.
So hey, that verification to Queriba, and then finance will do the needful.
Yes, Lordship, we'll give a.
Shall do the needful. The entire exercise shall be carried out within the period of
90 days.
90 days from the date of receipt of the
Copy of the.
copy of the order. Disposed of. Complete.